Let's see if we want to increase the video quality and add color to this clip. Just choose the file and click on the preview button. It takes a few seconds. And boom! In just seconds, you'll see the result. Let's try it with a human face. Just choose the file and click on preview. Every time, it takes a few seconds to generate. Mind-blowing! We are using Hitpaw Video Enhancer, the AI-powered tool that you can access from your browser. You can try it for free on your Windows device to upscale videos up to 4K resolution with 60 FPS. With the powerful Hitpaw-trained AI, you can enhance and upscale videos to 4K, clear blurry videos, improve low-resolution videos, enhance compressed low-quality videos, and colorize black and white videos. You can try it for free on your device. Install Hitpaw Video Enhancer. It takes some time. After completion, click on the Start button. This is the dashboard of this powerful AI tool. On the lower side, you have sample videos for testing Hitpaw Video Enhancer. You can see that this video has very low resolution quality. Just open the preview section to check the power of this tool. You can clearly see the difference in both videos. From the Import button, you can import your video. On the right side, you have 4 different models. The first one is the general denoise model, which is suitable for most kinds of video scenes. The second one is the animation model for anime and cartoon videos to restore HD video quality. The third one is the face model for videos that contain human faces and you want to increase the video quality. The last one is the colorize model for black and white videos like our clip. Below, we have the resolution option where you can select your desired video resolution. Click on the preview button to check the performance of this tool. You can easily check the difference. What do you think about this tool? Please tell me in the comment box. Now, let's check the face model to see how it performs with faces. Just click on Preview. It takes a few seconds. You can check the quality difference in both clips. It has done an amazing job. Now, let's try it on random objects, like this image. You can see the difference in quality. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.